Before starting with the academic part, let's discuss a thought. A thought which I came across. The thought is life will never provide you warranties and guarantees. It will provide you possibilities and opportunities. Possibilities and opportunities to convert these to success. So, the thought says that there is no guarantee and no warranty in life. The things will happen as they need to happen. They may leave somewhat impact on you. Okay, so you don't have to worry about this impact and the effect, but you need to be ready about it. All the problems, situations are coming in the form of possibilities and opportunities. Now it depends on us how we are taking these possibilities and opportunities. If we will take them as an opportunity, so definitely we have to face this opportunity, we have to make good use of these opportunities, and these opportunities we need to make this opportunity into the success. Right? Now the student, those who are in board classes, maybe in 10th and maybe 12th, this is what a big opportunity for you, because of the corona you are getting a lot of time. Okay, so don't think that the corona has given you a problem. It might be, but corona has given you a big opportunity to utilize your time. Okay, the time should be utilized in that way, in such a way that so you can make maximum use of the time, and you can cover your lots of studies. And this opportunity which is given by maybe corona can be converted into good success. You can come up with the flying colors in your board exams. So this is what the thought says. Hello dear students, welcome back at your own channel Maths Mela, where we are here to discuss the academic parts of mathematics. So here we go for the exercise number 5.1, where the question number 1 is express the given complex number in the form of a plus ib. How to do it? Let's do it. The sum number 1 is 5i 3 by 5 and again I. Okay, what you have to do is imaginary part will be multiplied by imaginary part and the real part will be multiplied by the real part. So here the real part is what? 5, and here it is minus 3 upon 5, and then here it is I into I. So it will give you 5 and 5 cancel, so it is minus 3 into I square. But as we know, I square is equal to minus 1. Okay, I square is equal to minus 1. That's why it will give you minus 3 into minus 1. This is nothing but positive 3. Okay, so the real part we got, but there is no imaginary part now. Therefore, this can be written as 3 plus I 0. Okay, so your real part is 3 and your imaginary part is 0. Now the next one is I raised to 9 plus I raised to 19. Okay, now try to get the even power of I. Okay, try to get the even power for I. So what it will be, if I will take I common, here it will be I raised to 8 plus I raised to 18. Okay, now the same thing you can do here. I, then I raised to 8 can be written as I raised to 2 and I raised to 4. That is what I raised to 2 raised to 4. So 2 4s are 8 it will be, and here also I raised to 2 and then raised to 9. Right? So I raised to 2 into 9 is what? 18. We know that I raised to 2, that is I square is equal to minus 1, so here minus 1 raised to 4, so it will be what? I, then minus 1 raised to 4, or once let me write it like this, 4 plus minus 1 raised to 9. You know that minus 1 raised to even number is equal to positive and I raised to what? Minus 1 raised to odd number will give you negative. What does it mean? I into 0. So what you are getting? 0. So no complex number, no real part, no imaginary part. The third one is I raised to minus 39. Can we write it as I raised to, that is 1 upon I raised to plus 39? Yes. Now the power of I is what? Odd. So bring it in the form of even. So that is I into I raised to 38, which will be equal to 1 upon I into I raised to 2 into 90. Okay, 90 to the 38. So what it will give you? It will be giving you 1 upon I into minus 1. Why minus 1? Because I raised to 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 19 is equal to what? Again minus 1. So that's why. Okay. So finally what we are getting? We are getting 1 upon minus I. Okay. Now since I is in what? The denominator, so you can rationalize it by multiplying it by I and I. Okay, so what you will have, it will become this minus is what? Minus I, and again upon minus I squared, minus I squared. This is nothing but minus I and minus I squared. I squared is equal to minus 1, and then this minus will give you plus 1. Right or no? So plus 1 it will be, or directly your part is what? Minus I. So what is remaining? This is what your answer. Okay. Now sum number 4. What is sum number 4? It is 3 into 7 plus 7i. 3 into 7 plus I7 plus I7 plus I7. Simply it is real into real, imaginary into imaginary, but before that you need to solve the bracket. So 3 sevens are 21. Again 3 sevens are 21, but I is also there, imaginary part. Then 7 into I, 7i. Then again 7 into I square. I square is equal to what? Minus 1. So what it will? Therefore 21 plus 21i plus 7i minus 7. Why? Because I square is equal to minus 1. So it will be like this. So 21 minus 7 will give you 14, and then 28i. So this is what? In the a plus ib. A is equal to 14 and b is equal to 28. Okay. So the next sum, that is 5. 5 number sum is equal to 1 minus I. 1 minus I minus 1 plus I6. Okay. Now try to simplify first. So what it will be? 1 minus I, minus into minus it will give you plus, again minus 6I. Is that okay? Then if you will solve, it will be 1 plus 1, 2, then minus 7I. Is that okay? This is what in that form, a plus ib. Sum number 6. This is what? 1 by 5 plus I into 2 upon 5. Okay. And then minus 4 plus I 5 by 2. I 5 by 2. Again, since minus is there, so what? We'll open the bracket, that is 1 upon 5 plus I 2 upon 5 minus 4 minus I 5 by 2. real part into real part, that is 1 by 5 minus 4 plus I 2 by 5 minus I 5 by 2. Here what we will get, 5 4s are 20 minus 1, so minus 19 upon 5. Okay, and then here what you will get, plus 2 2s are 4I, 5 5s are 25, so 4 minus 5, 4 minus 25 will give you minus 21I, and then 5 2s are 10. That is sum number 7. What is that? Sum number 7 is what? 1 by 3 plus I 7 by 3, again sorry, plus, then bracket 4 plus I 1 by 3 bracket close minus of 4 by 3 plus I. Nothing, only the 3 different brackets are given, that only we have to solve. Since it is what, can we open? Yes, we can. So it will be 1 by 3 plus I 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I 1 upon 3, then minus of minus plus 4 by 3, then minus of I. Now real part together, so it will be 1 by 3, 4 by 3. Imaginary parts together, I 7 by 3, I 1 by 3 minus I. Here it is what? I. Okay. Now how can we solve it? Here this denominator is 1, so we need to make it 3. So multiply it by 3 and 3. So 4 3s are 12. So 1 plus 12 plus 4 upon what? 3. And here also same thing. 3 and 3 are same. Here we need 3. So it should be 3I. Okay. So in that way only we can do. So it will become 7 plus 1 minus 3I upon 3. Okay. So it will become 16 and 1 17. So 17 by 3, and then 7 and 1 8 minus 3 is what? 5 by 3I. Okay, so this is what the answer. Now next one, that is sum number 8. What is that? 1 minus I raised to 4. Now directly binomial theorem also you could use, but this year binomial theorem is what reduced or removed from the syllabus. So we'll try to do it in this way. Can be written as 1 minus I square into 1 minus I square. Okay. Now can we, or here also what we can do, we can use this thing, that is 1 minus I into 1 minus I raised to 3. So we can use that identity. Okay. So this will be 1 minus I, and inside the bracket it is a minus b cube. So which is what, by using what it was, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay. So what is a cube here? It is 1 cube. What is b cube here? It is I cube minus 3. A square is what? Again 1. B is what? I. Okay. Then plus 3. A is equal to 1. B square is equal to I. Right. So we have to expand it now. So 1 minus I first. In another bracket it is 1 minus. Right now we will keep it as I cube only. Then 3I. Then 3I square. Okay. Right now we are not changing anything. Later on we will change after multiplying. Right. Now 1 into this number as it is, it will be no change. 1 into I cube, then 3I, then 3I square, because we have multiplied it by 1. Now we are multiplying again by minus I. Minus I is, take care. Minus I into 1 is what? Minus I. Minus into minus is what? Plus I raised to 4. Minus I into 3, that is plus 3I square. And then at last minus I into 3I square. So 3I cube it will be. Now try to remember the values of I square. Value of I square is equal to what? Minus 1. The value of I cube is equal to what? Minus 1 into I. So minus I. Okay. So it will be what? Or any imaginary or real part? No. This is what? 1 only. And then I cube. This I cube and this I cube. So it will become minus 4 I cube. Right? And when I raised to 4 is also there, so first let me write down that I4. I raised to 4, this one, then minus I cube minus, so minus 4 I cube. After that I square, 3I square, 3I square. So plus 6I square and then 3I, 1I. So 3I and 1I will give you 4I. Right? So I raised to 4 will give you what? Minus 1 raised to 2. Okay? Minus 1 raised to 2, or directly it is in that form, since if it is a multiple of 4, directly plus 1. So I raised to 1, I raised to 4 is what? 1. Then I raised to 3 will give you minus I. How come? Because I square is equal to what? I cube can be written as I square into I, minus 1 into I, so it is what? Minus I. Okay, so I cube is equal to what? Minus I. So minus 4 into minus I will give you minus 4I. Sorry, plus 4I. And then 6I square. I square is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 into 6 will give you minus 6. And then minus 4I as it is. So what will happen? Plus 4I minus 4I will get cancelled. 2 and minus 6 will give you minus 4. Okay, so this is what the next sum, that is sum number 9. What is that? 1 by 3 plus 3I cube. So what we will do? By using a plus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube b cube 3a square b plus 3a b square. If you will use this, you will get the answer. So it equal to 1 by 3's cube plus 3i's cube plus 3 into 1 upon 3's square into 3i plus 3 into 1 upon 3 into 3i's square. So it will give you 1 upon 27. 3's cube is what? 27. So here it is what? I cube. Okay, as we know that I cube is equal to minus I. So directly 3 cube is equal to what? 27. 27 into minus I will give you minus 27I. Okay, then this is what? 1 upon 3 is a square, that is 9. So this 3. Okay, so what it will be? 3 into 1 upon 3. So directly this I am writing 1 by 3 only, because this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. Okay, into what? 3I. Okay, so this also will get cancelled. So here what will be remaining? This 3 will get cancelled here, and this 3 will also get cancelled here. So this 3 into 3 will get cancelled. So what is remaining? Only I. Then again this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. 3 I square. I square is what? Minus 1. And here you will get minus 9, because this square is what? Minus 9. So what you are getting at final state, that is 1 upon 27 minus 9 and then minus 26 pi. Okay, now you need to sort it out. Right? So 270 minus 270 into 9, sorry, 27 into 9 will give you 1 minus 9 7 are 63, 6 carry, 9 2s are 18 and 6 243 upon 27 26i, which will give you minus of 242 upon 27 and then 26i, and then sum number 10, which is same as this only, that is minus 2 minus 1 by 3 I cube. So directly by using this identity we have already, which is equal to what? A minus b cube is equal to a cube minus b cube 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so how it will be? Minus 2's cube minus 3a square means this one into b means 1 by 3i plus 3 into minus 2 and b square, that is 1 by 3i square. So if you will sort it out, it will give you minus 8, then cube of this will be again minus. Now what will happen here? Observe it properly. First, cube of 1 by 3 will give you 1 upon 27. Okay, it will be minus 1 upon 27, but I cube is also what? Minus I. So that minus and this minus will be I upon 27, that is plus I. But again after this is what? Minus. So again it will become like this. Okay, now minus 2 square is what? Plus 4. 4 3s are is what? 12, or this 3 and this 3 we can cut. So minus 2 square is what? 4i. This minus will be like that only. Now this 3 and then this 3 will cut, but 1 3 will still remain because it is square. So minus 2i square is what? Again minus 1. This minus 1 and this minus 2 will be merged together to give you plus. So at last we are getting plus 2 by 3. Okay, and then real part and imaginary part. So minus 8 plus 2 by 3 one side, then I upon 27 minus 4i, which will give you 3 8s are 24, then minus 22 upon 3, and then 27 4s are 27 2s are is 54, so 27 4s are is 108, then 10 here is what? The minus, so minus 107, or you can say it minus of 107, so it will give you plus 107 I upon 27. So these are what? We are taking sum. Find multiplicative inverse for sum number 11, 12 and 13. Multiplicative inverse we are finding from grade 6. So how to do it? So multiple inverse of mi of 4 minus 3i is equal to what? Reciprocal of 8, that is 1 upon 4 minus 3i multiplied by its complex conjugate, that is 4 plus 3i upon 4 plus 3i. So what will you get? Upside it is just 4 plus 3i, and below a minus b, a plus b. So a square, that is 4 square is equal to 16, and 3 into 3 9 minus 9, but minus 9i square. Okay, so what it will be? Minus 9i square, which will give you 4 plus 3i, 16 plus 9, and it will be what? 4 plus 3i upon 25, because I square is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 9 is what? Plus 9. And sum number 12. So multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i is equal to 1 upon root 5 plus 3i into root 5 complex conjugate minus 3i minus 3i. Okay, so what it is? 5 minus 3i, and then 5 root 5 into root 5 is what? Only 5, not 25. Okay, then 3i into 3i, 9i square. Okay, because plus and minus, but it will be again minus 9i square. So here also you will get 5 plus 3i upon 5 plus 9, and finally under root 5 3i upon 14. Mi of minus I is equal to 1 upon minus I into I upon I, imaginary parts, and then multiplication. Okay, so this is equal to what? I upon I square. So this is nothing but I upon minus 1, or what it is, 1 upon minus I will give you minus I upon I square. So minus I and minus minus will get cancelled. So what is answer? It is I. Okay, so these are what the multiplicative inverses we have got. After this, express the sum, the last sum, that is sum number 14. Expressed in the form of a plus ib. Here it is what? Multiplication. So here a plus b, a minus b, right? A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So a into a, that is 3 into 3 is 9, minus root 5 into root 5, 5. 5i square, but minus of 5i square you will get. Okay, and then here it is what? Just you need to open the bracket, that is minus root 3 and then minus I root 2. So this and this will get cancelled, and here also what you will get? That is 9 plus 5, because I square is equal to minus 1. So 5 into minus 1 minus 5, minus 5 into minus is what? Plus 5. And here root 3 cancel, and then here what you are getting? You are getting root 2i plus I root 2 is nothing but 14 upon 2i, correct? It is 2 root 2i, right? Because root 2 and I plus I. Okay, so it is what? 2 root 2i. Okay, now factorization. Okay, 14 2 root 2i multiplied by its negative number. Okay, or just simply you can multiply it like this only, or simply you can multiply it by root 2 only, but no, we will multiply it by 2. So it will be minus 28 root 2i, and here it is what? Square of it, right? So minus and then the square of it. 2 square is what? 4. Then again 2i square. So minus minus will get cancelled. So it is what? 28, or here you can divide also. 4 ones are 4 sevens are. So what you are getting? 7 root 2i upon I square is what? Minus 1. So minus 2. At last we are going to get minus 7 by 2 and then root 2i. Okay, so this is what the answer. This is what your exercise number 5.1, which we have covered completely. Each and every sum we have solved. So a bit practice is needed. Practice will make you perfect. Is that okay? So according to the today's thought, you have to work also. The thing is what? Whatever we have discussed in the thought. Okay? Right. Fine. Now this is what the exercise number 5.1 we have completed happily, and very soon we will start with the next exercise, that is exercise number 5.2. Till that time, keep practicing and be at the own channel Maths Mela. Please visit regularly and share it with all others. So thanks a lot, and wait for the another video at your own channel Maths Mela. Till that time, be happy, be safe. Thank you.